Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Amber Beauty Fashion. Friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Friends, today video is very great designing ideas, and today I am showing a all trendy and gorgeous collection. So friends, I must suggest to you, watch this video till the end. You will find an all trendy ideas in our videos, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section. So friends, this video will be very helpful for you. In this video, I will show you different style of dress design from latest trending fashion. So friends, there are so many dresses. If you want to make a stylish dresses and searching latest fashion, so this video will be very helpful for you. Friends, there are so many fabrics available in the market like silk, georgette, net, linen, lawn, cotton, and so many fabrics available everywhere in the world. And also there are so many material available everywhere like pearls, stone, lasses, patches, and so many other things. Friends, you can place these kinds of things according to your choice to make a stylish dresses. So friends, I will try my best to show all new ideas, so please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. Friends, you can get ideas, so take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So friends, we will be right back. Bye-bye.